Opening date has been announced for Broadway. The stage lights set to go on. The curtain must go up. It will in September. Theaters opening at full capacity.
That is a big sign that New York, an epicenter for the virus, is coming out of the pandemic, and encouraging projections from the CDC for the whole country this morning. Whit Johnson is out on Broadway to start us off. Good morning, Whit.
Michael, good morning. To many, Broadway is the heartbeat of the city, generating billions of dollars to the local economy. Take a look at the marquees, though. Many of these theaters have been shut down for more than a year, but now a sign of hope as tickets can start going on sale as early as today for shows in the fall.
This morning, the CDC releasing new projections showing that high vaccination rates, continued masking, and social distancing could bring a sharp decline in COVID cases by July.
We are not out of the woods yet, but we could be very close.
Still, threats remain like variants and questions about how long vaccines will provide protection. On Wednesday, Moderna saying that should vaccine booster shots become necessary, early data suggests theirs will be effective against strains from South Africa and Brazil.
This is a very good piece of news because it suggests not only can we boost people's immunity back up and keep it high during the pandemic, but also that we can specifically boost it up against some of the new variants of concern.
And now a new focus on kids. Canada announcing it has authorized the Pfizer vaccine in 12 to 15-year-olds. As the U.S. awaits a decision for that same age group any day, the Biden administration doubling down on its promise to act immediately.
We know that kids want to go to camp this summer. We know parents want them to be safe, so we are prepared to move as quickly as we can after any kind of authorization.
All 4 kids in the Dropic family volunteered for the Pfizer trials through Cincinnati Children's Hospital, now encouraging others to roll up their sleeves.
Don't be worried, don't be scared.
You're all done.
It's a super quick shot and the payoff is like totally worth it.
And as vaccination rates increase, some bright news for New York City, once the center of the pandemic, now making strides. In 2 weeks, the Yankees and Mets will begin seating fans in separate areas at the ballparks. Sections for vaccinated fans will be at 100% capacity. Sections for unvaccinated fans at 33%. And Broadway slated to open mid-September for shows at 100% capacity.
Now back to baseball for a moment. Teams across the country are offering all kinds of incentives to get people vaccinated. The Yankees and the Mets, for example, are now offering free ticket vouchers for people who go to the game and get their shots at the stadiums. Michael?
And what President Biden is committing to waiving vaccine patents.
Michael, that's right. And this is a big shift for the Biden administration, now supporting waiving those intellectual property rights protections. This would allow other manufacturers to get the ingredients and the recipes to produce these vaccines and get them to hard-to-reach places around the world. This is something that many advocates say will help slow the spread of this virus. But a trade group representing some of the manufacturers is pushing back, saying that it will only sow confusion and could potentially lead to counterfeit vaccines. Michael?
All right, definitely a big deal there, Whit. Thank you so much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.